This question is quite difficult, and it's extremely difficult if you have not covered something called the geometric mean. And if you haven't, I'm not in a position to kind of reteach all of it in this little question. But if you have or haven't, I'm going to teach you kind of one of the relationships. The geometric mean is based off of similar triangles, and the two similar triangles that we're going to work with is this guy here and this guy here, and these two are similar. And when you set up a proportion, let's give this thing the x value, it would go as follows. The 4 goes to the x in the blue, 4 in the red, blue in the x, as the x in the red would go to 5 in the blue, and you get x squared equals 20, and we get x equals the square root of 20. Now that becomes your height, and now we can work from there. Now this can be obviously turned into a decimal, but you can begin working from there to obtaining the other lengths. So for instance, with that little red triangle there, you know the square root of 20 is this side, 4 is this side, and again, using the Pythagorean theorem, you can obtain that answer. And you could also go this way. You know that this is the square root of 20, and that this length is 5, and again, using the Pythagorean theorem, you could find this. And that would allow you to add up all of the sides. The big key, of course, the big trick is this guy right here. And you can turn that to a decimal. Oh, well, no, it says exact answer, so I guess not. So you'd leave it in that form. Actually, even more so correct. You might reduce it down to 2 root 5. But this is how you would go about working through this one. It's a pretty tricky little problem. Good luck.